This is definitely for somebody that appreciates very nice quality and fine detail or has sensitive skin to different metals. Hey viewers, Lanewood Jewelers sent me their beautiful Moissanite earrings for review. And you know I'm all about giving you guys the honest truth. Looking for the perfect statement piece for earrings to elevate your overall style? Stay tuned because stunning Moissanite earrings from Lanewood Jewelry are about to become the new favorites. Guys, so I'm gonna pull it up. Exactly the ones that I received for this collaboration is these right here. And boy, aren't these nice? These are pretty. Let's try them on. Let me show you. You guys, I was so impressed because exactly what they show on the website is exactly what I received. So let's take a closer look at these stunning earrings. And the materials and the craftsmanship of Lanewoods is known for quality. These earrings are made from sterling silver, gold plated. The craftsmanship seems to be really great. It definitely shows the quality, and I'm impressed with the fine craftsmanship and the comfort and the wellability. And they felt so amazing on my ear. They definitely felt lightweight, easy to wear. It feels like I don't even have them in my ear. I've been wearing them for off and on for a past week now. I love how lightweight these earrings are, making them so comfortable for all day wear. The quality of the gold is very impressive, and they definitely add a touch luxury to any outfit. I highly recommend looking for stylish, trendy. Right now, I'm so obsessed with the latest jewelry trends, you guys, especially the stack, you know, full up the ear, all the rings. But ow, it hurts. I mean, it's still healing. I've got 2 of them pierced and it's still taking like 2 months to heal. When you can just get a Moissanite earring from Lanewoods, you guys, it would look like you're wearing 3 different earrings because the studs are so close together. It's just one earring, but it looks like 3 because it has 3 Moissanite studs. Isn't that gorgeous? The packaging is very delightful too as well. Now, the big question, are they worth the price? I can easily say they're definitely worth the price. I love the daintiness. I love how it looks, just like what you see on the website. This is definitely for somebody that appreciates very nice quality and fine detail or has sensitive skin to different metals. This is a perfect top quality jewelry company. They have so many great pieces on their website. I mean, look at this one right here, you guys. Elevate your jewelry game. Look at all the hot trends, you guys, for your 2025. Yes, so many great pieces. Not only they have earrings, they have amazing, remarkable necklaces, bracelets. The good thing about their quality of their jewelry, I mean, you can get it wet here and there. You know, it's not going to tarnish right off the back, and it's not going to make your finger green or discoloration. You know, you're going to look all right, okay? You're not going to embarrass yourself. It's going to look good. Now, remember, I just pierced my ear here 3 months ago. No irritation. You see the same color? The ear is the same color, no irritation. I know it was a little pink as I was showing you as I put it in because I made it drop 3 times, But now that, 2 minutes passed by, the ear is not green. That is the check of the high-end, top tier, perfect, 100% good quality. Yes, look at that. It's so pretty. The ear is not purple, red, or green. It looks amazing, you guys. That looks so good. I like it a lot. Now I gotta get my ears pierced on this side so I can rock it like evenly, you know what I mean? This looks so good. Loving it. And I love the backing that they thought of very high-end quality as you're sleeping. It's not penetrating to the back and hurting you. I mean, that is brilliant. Out of all the reviews I've done from every jewelry line, that's the first time I ever received the amazing plastic rubber backings. So yes, Lanewood, you did it on this one. Top tier, thumbs up. I'm loving it. Chef's kiss. Enough said, period.